Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser is packed to the gills with luxurious features, yet retains the off-road prowess and rugged, durable nature it's known for. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, pre-collision system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.